Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com. Back on this beautiful Sunday at the time of this recording. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way to Links. We are like, it's about 7 a.m. right now. 6:45 to be exact. I'm gonna go and get me a quick workout because I have a client over in Brookline that I'm going to go and train. So I was like, yo, let me get my workout in early, get the client's workout done early so I can enjoy a beautiful Sunday, man, because the weekend I don't work too much, just an hour here, an hour there. So yeah, man. And then this is like super chill on Sundays at Link, so I'm able to get me a nice, decent, not decent, but an awesome workout. So we're going to be doing, our primary focus today is going to be the deadlift. So yeah, let's get to that. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, quick little workout. I don't know why I said it was quick. It wasn't quick at all. I moved a lot slower than I wanted to today, but hey, still got it done. Now I'm just gonna go shower up and go train this client and then get back to my babies. Alright, so we made it. I'm about to go train this client, but yo, enjoy this clip while I get to work, alright? This is a funny ass clip.
Strike to claim it, a strike to claim it, and he got it!
Are you kidding me? That's right. Who do you think you are? I am. Damn it, right.
Yo, that clip was a mood. No, is a mood, right? Who do you think you are? I am. Classic. I'm gonna yeah, that's gonna be my new little slogan from now on, man. That dude's a legend.
I can just watch you.
Give me the assist again, dog. Give me the assist again. Look at this mama's boy. Hey, mama's here, so everything's all right now, right, punk? We're about to go to music class, right, buddy? You gonna have fun at music class?
Wow, you look.
It's always an event getting this kid out the house, man. But we did it, and we are off to music class. So he always starts off super shy, and then he loosens up. And like, huh?
I've never been in one of these classes.
No? First time?
Yeah.
Oh, Just get your bucket.
I have a yoga studio that I go to when I need to work out. Flo is your mother's name?
They giving him grief.
It is like a, yes, personal training is played. Let's sing hello, hello, let's sing hello, hello. I on the stereo, let's sing hello, hello. Let's sing hello, hello, let's sing hello, hello. I on the stereo, let's sing hello, hello. All right, let's bounce to Roxanne. Here we go. Let's bounce a little to Roxanne. Bounce a little to Roxanne. Hold it down. Nice one. Vivi has the duck on the farm. Duck. Whose that is?
All right, we are back. Little homie had a very fun time at music class. So that's basically our little Sunday fun day hangout time where we're out the house engaging with other kids together and just exhausting them, you know. So hey, now we're about to have dinner. Mommy's out working, grinding, so we're about to have dinner, and I'm gonna put him to bed and then unwind myself, because this week is going to be super busy, and I gotta be laser focused, right? Laser focused. What you doing with that, dog? Huh? What you doing with that? Where you? Hey! Alexa, play Kid Cudi station.
The station Kid Cudi on Amazon Music.
Howdy, girl. Always go. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. So August is down for the night. If you didn't know this by now, your boy is a pro. All right, it's official. He's a pro. All right, that kid can never defeat me. Chat. Anyway, I'm gonna go to, actually, I'm have dinner in the oven. Looks like it's going to snow overnight, like a huge snowstorm. So I don't know what tomorrow holds for your boy. But I'm gonna end this video here and get myself ready tonight for tomorrow, cause who knows what New England's weather gonna have in store for me. So yeah, gotta get it done. Anyways, thank you for watching, spending the day, Sunday fun day with your boy. Until the next time, peeps.